Good day, everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll how to get Shopify premium templates. If this is your first time watching my video, can please subscribe to my channel, like it, and share my video. And if there's anything you need to ask me, then you can please comment on my video. So the first thing you have to do is I'm going to teach you on how to get Shopify premium templates through using your Telegram account. Whether you're using your smartphone or whether you're PC, then you can easily get Shopify premium. The first thing you have to do is just go to your Telegram account and log into it. So after that, then there's one to be called normally called that normally use. Then you go to your search bar on your Telegram account and search for Shopify Premium Teams. So that's what you search for. As you can see, there are a lot of Shopify Premium Teams on Telegram you can easily use. Then this one has 44 subscribers, 49 subscribers, 300 members. So the one we're actually looking for is this one, which is 3,500 subscribers. This is the best one I've ever used and it's really working. And you can easily get free template out of their group. Then you just need to click on it. So let me just leave the channel and redo everything back so you can know that you can easily get into the channel. So I've searched for Shopify Premium Team. Like I said, you have to look for the one with the 3,500 subscribers. This is the number one. Then you click on it. As you can see, you have to join the channel first before you can easily get anything out. Although you can get anything out without even joining the channel, but it's very good to join the channel in case they drop any updates on or what is it called on whether on new teams for Shopify. Then you can just click on join. So as you can see, so you join this channel just now. It's gonna be very easy and easy to get. So how do you look for your teams? Yeah, it's very easy. You can actually search for some things just by clicking the search menu, search by maybe your specific thing you want to download from them. You can just search for it. But there are some that they are very premium, but you can easily get free things sometimes. I mostly get free things from here. So as you can see, you even have another opportunity to get WordPress thing, latest version, as you can see. So it's not only Shopify thing that you can easily find here, but you can also find WordPress thing also. So as you can see, this is one of the things for Shopify. You can just click on download. Yeah, I think you know how to import your Shopify thing into your Shopify account. Then after that, you just need to unzip. You don't even need to unzip anything. You just need to import into your Shopify account where you want to use the thing. There's and that's all. So if you enjoy my video, please subscribe to my channel, like it, and share my video. Good day, everyone. Thanks for watching.